everyone. I'm Miss Hernandez.
And I'm Miss Canoza, and we want to talk to you about our amazing community. Our school has received an overwhelming amount of emails expressing gratitude for the dedication and hard work on behalf of our faculty during this time of distance learning.
Therefore, we are asking for your help in spreading the good news about St. Genevieve.
Now that so many of you have let us know how impressed you've been, consider telling some of your family and friends about our amazing community.
Better yet, try out your marketing skills and see if you can convince 2 families to attend our upcoming virtual open house.
Yes, we're hosting our open house online next Tuesday, May 19 at 6 p.m.
That's pretty important. You better repeat that date and time again.
I'll do better than that. I know some people in the tech department, and I'll have them print the date and time on the screen.
They would do that for you?
Watch this. Abracadabra.
Girl, you do know some people here. That looks pretty good to me.
One more thing. We are offering $100 as an incentive.
I want to get in on that. What do I have to do?
Refer a new family. If they complete the admissions process, officially register, name you as the referral, you will receive $100 credit towards your tuition.
Yesterday, we sent an email with an open house referral link. If you didn't receive the email, check your spam or your junk mail, or you can simply go to sgps.org and click RSVP for open house.
Thanks for listening.
We're looking forward to meeting your friends and family for our open house. Bye!